Think garlic is just for cooking? Think again. Today on CVC Gardens, I'm revealing two powerful, science-backed benefits of growing garlic in your garden. You'll want to hear this. And before we dig in, hit subscribe for more garden secrets that grow your wellness naturally. First up, garlic's impact on your immunity. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to boost your immune system's response, helping white blood cells recognize and fight infections like colds and the flu. Researchers have found that regular garlic consumption may not only reduce the risk of getting sick, but also shorten illness duration thanks to enhanced immune function. Now here's the secret: garlic isn't just good for you. It also helps your garden. Studies show that garlic's strong aroma and its compounds like allicin can repel a variety of pests, including insects and root maggots. One study found that when garlic was planted alongside crops like eggplants, it helped suppress infestations by aromas that insects avoid. Another source confirms that a topical garlic extract can cloak plants with a garlic breath, making pests less likely to bother them, often for up to a month. And the Environmental Protection Agency recognizes garlic as a biochemical pesticide. Its natural, non-toxic action makes it a safer alternative for repelling insects and even birds in certain applications. So growing garlic gives you more than just a flavorful food or immune boost. It's a 2-for-1. Health for you, protection for your garden. So next time you think about what to plant, make space for garlic. It supports your immunity and helps keep bugs away, all without chemicals. If this video helped, hit like, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe to CVC Gardens for more natural garden solutions.